You and your friends are going to catch that new action flick. You all really want to see the movie, but there are a lot of you, and the tickets are kind of pricey. Do you A, buy a ticket for yourself and try to sneak everyone else through the side door? B, buy a couple tickets and suggest you all sit on each other's laps? C, tell your friends to buck up and each buy a ticket. If you want to see a movie, you've got to buy a ticket. Every audience member needs one. Same with software. Every user must be licensed to use the program. If multiple users want access to the same software, a license must be purchased to cover each user. Just like content, video, and music, software is protected by copyright law. To protect your company, make sure you are only using software purchased by your company from an authorized reseller, and that you're permitted to use the software under your company's license agreement. If you're not sure, ask. A trusted person on staff, usually an IT director, should handle all purchasing and installation.
When it comes to acquiring software licenses, the absolute best thing for an organization to do is to buy that software centrally through a central purchasing point within the end user organization. When it comes to installing software, the best person to leave that to is your IT department or your help desk office. When they install it for you, they will make sure that it's set up correctly and the license tracked through the central purchasing organization.
I was working at a large oil company, and they were about to pay a $45,000 maintenance fee for a program that was no longer installed in their environment anywhere. And they didn't know that until we did an audit for them. We said, well, you're not using this program, why would you buy maintenance? And the accounting department would say, well, we paid it last year, so we thought we would just pay it this year. In fact, there are estimates that say you can save up to 30% of the cost of your IT and software and hardware by managing it properly.
Ensuring that your software needs are monitored and handled by trusted employees will help protect your company in the long run. The penalties for software piracy are severe, and it's easier to get caught than you might think.
We've seen situations where a company literally has purchased one copy of software, put it up on a network server for an entire organization to use. That organization, as I recall, had about 2,500 users. That was clear, blatant copyright infringement. The company didn't believe was really a problem until fines were levied against that organization to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for those illegal copies.
I've been in another company where they in fact acquired another company. And in the acquisition, the due diligence that they went through for that merger and acquisition didn't take care of software. And they ended up with illegal software.
There are all sorts of software licensing choices available. Just have IT explore the options for your company's size and budget. If your organization doesn't have an IT department, request that a software manager be assigned. Ask before you act. For more information, check with your company's IT department or designated software manager, or visit www.askbeforeyouact.com.